Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome to Peacock Way. Thank you for joining me. Today, I will be showing you how to make this project. I have used watercolor paper, stencil, stamps, acrylic paints, and inks, dyes. So, let's get started to do this project and have fun. I'm going to use this archival ink, and I'm using this text stamp, and I'm going to stamp on the page first. Now I'm using this dilution paint and spray some water and spread it out. I'm going to dry it. I'm putting it on different areas and then spray the water. Then I'm going to let it dry. Then I'm using acrylic inks. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button and turn the notification on so you can see my new videos. Then I'm using this different color of acrylic ink and doing the same way as the other one. Now I'm going to dry everything. Now I'm going to use some writing stamps. I'm going to stamp on different areas. I'm using this stripe stamps, and I'm going to use that also on the page. I'm stamping this grungy circle stamp. And I'm going to dry everything. I'm using this white acrylic paint, and I'm going to dab it on this stencil. Now I'm using this black acrylic paint. Now that looks much brighter. Then I'm also adding some other stencils using this acrylic paint. Now I'm using number stencil, and I'm going to be using the black archival acrylic ink. I'm using a black pen, and I'm going to just draw the outline. Sometimes the pen doesn't work on acrylic paint, so I had to keep changing. I'm going to just do like doodling using the same black pen. Now I'm adding this strip of paper, which it is like a leftover piece. So I'm going to cut it in smaller piece, and then I'm going to place it and see where I want it. Now I'm putting this glossy accent on this stamp. So I'm going to wait and let it dry. Now I'm going to color it in the center part of the bee. Now I'm going to stick everything together. You can use any die, it can be big leaf or small leaf. Now I'm going to do some shading using the Derwent pencil. I'm going to stick the washi tape to give some extra texture there. So I'm going to now stick the coat and say that it is done. I hope you enjoyed and got inspired. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave the comments below. I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Have a nice day. Thanks. Bye.